Hello everybody, GL1 here, and today I'm going to show you the Digger Bad to the Bone Trax vehicle. So this is waterproof, and it is made to actually go on water and paddle itself across. You can see on the treads that they're like little paddles, and then it has a significant amount of hard styrofoam. There's some there and some underneath, so it will float. It's not that light, so it's going to need a lot of styrofoam in order to do that. One of the complaints about this vehicle is that it's not very fast, and that's because it's geared to have a lot of torque. So when it goes on water, you need a lot of torque to move something on water. Today we're going to test it obviously on snow and a little bit of icy conditions. You can charge it up with the USB cable that it comes with, and it's got the waterproof button here. You just push that down, and then that comes on, and then here's your remote. It's going to be difficult to control the remote at the same time I'm holding the camera, but I'll do my best. I've tried various stands and stuff, and it just isn't working out really well. This is a 2.4 gigahertz system, so you don't want to lose the remote. It syncs up permanently with the electronics in the vehicle, so if you lose it, it just becomes spare parts or trash, really. The way this steers, unlike a tank, some of the older steering vehicles, you had two paddles that move forward and reverse. So you would move both of these paddles forward in order to go forward, and both in reverse to go in reverse, and then you would opposite them to turn. But this one works like a car. You just move your left and right steering like that, and then you have your forward and reverse. Just move it forward and then reverse. This also has a couple of other sophisticated features. It has your trim level here. This is to adjust the steering if it's not going straight. And it has digitally proportional steering and speed. What that means is you can move it really slow, and the more you move the paddle, the faster it goes. So there, and the same thing with moving the paddle forward. So I'm going to show you this here. All right, so take it on some snow here. Now, it can't go on high pile snow because it doesn't have the ground clearance and it gets stuck. But you could take it pretty well here. On some low snow, it would do well on low dirt, I'm sure. And if I had two hands, it would be easy to control. But here we go. As you can see, and that's for top speed. So it's not real fast, but it does have a lot of torque. You can spin it in circles and clear the walkway practically. I wouldn't run it on asphalt or cement because you're going to wear down the rubber treads. And, you know, I don't know how long you're going to be able to get those replaced. This is a New Bright vehicle. They do support their products pretty well. And New Bright's been around. I've been getting New Bright vehicles for over 30 years. And they've just gotten more and more light and durable. They also moved to much smaller motors and more simplicity. But because the vehicles have gotten lighter and they use really top-of-the-line technology, whatever arrives as far as the lithium batteries and everything, they were really early to adopt that. They've been able to get excellent run times and performance from very light and sometimes sophisticated, but often just not sophisticated vehicles, but just really give you what you want, and they don't cost a lot. Now this I was able to get for $30. It's worth somewhere between $45 and $50. You often will see it for $70. I don't think it's worth $70. So if you can get it for sale, I was able to get it at Ross for $30, which was just really great. Sometimes the grave diggers have front lights that light up, and unfortunately this does not. But the more things that have electricity out there available to get water in them and then short circuit. So that's probably why they didn't do that. But anyway, I don't think the speed really is a problem. I think it's more about understanding that the vehicle is meant to be for torque, and it can be, I think, a lot of fun. In jumping it. It's pretty durable. And thanks for watching. And when it's getting low on power, looks like the remote starts to beep. So I'll be talking to you soon. And I've been running this for like 4 tries to get this video right. So it actually lasts about half an hour. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.